Hello and welcome all. Study in Germany can be an exciting opportunity for all the students who are looking to enter the dream university. But before you enter the dream university in Germany, it is important to know how you are going to go to Germany through the student visa. So, in order to break down the student visa process in Germany, for us we have here with us an ICF trained agent counselor, Ms. Parvinder Kaur, who will help us to know the requirements, and more about the application process in Germany. Ma'am, so coming to the Germany student visa process, so what is the first step?
As you said that Germany is an exciting study abroad destination for students. So in this I would particularly be speaking about the steps involved in the process for applicants who are looking forward to apply for Germany student visa from India. So the first step is the students need to select a course and the university they wish to study in Germany. Now the selection of the course would depend on various factors. The first thing the student must look into is about their academic profile. So from visa point of view, students must choose a course that is relevant to their current academic profile and any work experience history they may have. The students again must choose a course which is a logical progression of their academics and any work experience. They may choose a course as per their career aspiration. So there are various factors based on which the students choose a course, and the same course may be available in various universities in Germany. So once you have selected the course, you need to choose the university where you wish to study. So this is the first step, the selection of a course and a university for study in Germany.
Okay, so let's assume that the student has chosen the university and the course that they want to study. So what after this?
Once you have chosen the course and the university, the students must send a complete application package for admission to that particular university. Here I would strongly recommend the applicants to check with the exact entry requirements of the course they wish to study. Because if you send the admission application package without checking the requirements, then there are high chances that the admission application could be refused if you do not meet the entry requirements. So check the entry requirements, see if you have all the evidence that you meet the entry requirements, and after that you send the complete admission application package to the university of your choice. So this is the second step after you have selected the course and university of your choice to send the admission application.
So ma'am, so the student has now received the offer letter. So what are the next steps after receiving the offer letter?
Once the students have received the offer letter, they need to prepare the visa documentation. Now there are many steps involved in this visa documentation, the documentation which the students must complete. One of the requirement is of having a APA certificate. It is a very important document which the students need in order to apply for their visa. Now some universities may have asked for the evidence that you have applied for APS at the time of admission. Now that depends on the university to university. So at this point the students may have applied for their APS, or they need to now apply for APS certificate. The other documentation also the students need, like their personal documentation, their financial documentation. They need to show how would they be covering the cost of study in Germany.
Ma'am, since you talked about the cost of study in Germany, is there certain fund requirements that they need to meet in terms of cost of living?
Yes, of course, there are certain requirements the students need to meet. Firstly, I would like to speak about the tuition fee. The students need to attach the receipt of the fee they have paid to their university. So after you have received your offer letter, you need to transfer your tuition fee. Now the amount of tuition fee would depend whether you are studying in a public university or a private university. In public university, the courses are almost tuition free for all the students. So if you are applying for a public university, then you need not send any tuition fee, as it is tuition fee free. The students just need to attach a confirmation of offer of a place. But if you are going to study in a private university, you may need to attach the fee receipt. Now it depends on the university whether they need to pay whether you need to pay the university a semester fee or a full year fee. So first requirement is of tuition fee. Secondly, the students must also have cost of living to support themselves.
Ma'am, since you talked about the cost of living, so what is the average, let's say, the cost of living, and there's something called the blocked account as well for the Germany study visa. Could you talk a little bit more about that as well?
Yes, as I said, that one of the requirements to apply for Germany student visa is that the case officer must be satisfied that you have got enough funds to support yourself while you are in Germany. The best way to show this is to open a blocked account. So this would be account in your name where you would be depositing your cost of living, which is approximately euros 11,000 for 1 year. So once the students transfer this amount to Germany, they get a receipt of that amount and they need to attach that as a evidence of their cost of living.
Ma'am, so you talked about the different, about the cost requirements and everything. So any other document that students would need for the Germany student visa process?
Is of course the students need to submit the documentation as per the checklist. Now the checklist includes the copy of your passport, then your identity document, then your tuition fee receipt that you have paid the tuition fee. If you have paid the tuition fee for 1 semester, evidence that you have tuition fee for next 6 months, you need to attach this evidence. Then you need to attach the blocked account statement where you have deposited your cost of living. Then another important requirement is that you must have medical insurance. This is one of the very important requirements to apply for Germany student visa. Then the students need to attach a motivation letter where they need to tell why they chose to study in Germany, why they have chosen this course, all these things. It's a kind of statement of purpose. So these are the documentation which the students need to attach, as well as they need to fill the application form for student visa.
Okay, so ma'am, so now the whole study visa documents needed for the study visa process is complete and the visa file is prepared. So what is the next step for students now?
Once the students have prepared their visa documentation file for Germany, they need to book an appointment for the interview. So once you prepare your file, you book the online appointment, and on the day of appointment, you visit the German mission or German VFS to submit your file.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. I'm sure the students who are planning their study in Germany have found this video about the application process for the Germany student visa very helpful. And if you have any other queries, you can contact West Highlander Immigration. Thank you.
Thank you.